Welcome to Postal Flight Academy. In this video, we're going to talk about how teams work in Postal and how to add teams. Let's get started. Teams in Postal allow for separate budgets, fund sources, and even approved items and collections. But let's take a little bit closer behind the curtain of what this actually looks like. When you first open up your Postal account, you'll have one team already built for you. This team is usually named after the account. So for instance, we have Postal Flight Academy. So Postal Flight Academy was the very first team in our instance of Postal. Any subsequent team created after the account team is yours to customize. We recommend naming this after functions or teams in your actual organization. For instance, customer success, AEs, HR. You'll notice here in the graphic that in the account team, the very first team that was created with your account, you can have an admin, a manager, and user. This is the only team that has the admin role. If you need someone to be an admin in Postal, they need to be a part of this team. In the other teams, you'll notice that the team admin, manager, and user role are available to them. Let's go ahead and go to Postal. Now in Postal, let's take a look at how to add a team. So I'll hit the profile menu here. I'm an admin in Postal. That means I am on the original team created. I'll click on the profile menu and I'll go to teams. From here, I'm going to go ahead and add a support team. Let's click on create a team. And we're going to say flight support. I'm going to select a billing account that I already have set up. For now, we'll go ahead and use the People and Culture funds. Thank you, People and Culture. We'll use Other as the option here. And I'm going to set up a per user budget. That's going to refresh monthly. And I'm going to give my support team a $2,000 limit here. Now, the funds are actually going to be coming from this People and Culture funds, but I don't want my team spending more than $2,000 of the funds available. So these are the guardrails I have in place. I'll click on Create Team. And there we go. My team has been created. Let's go ahead and take a look at the team itself. Flight support here. And I'll see that I have nobody on this team. I can add people by clicking on Add a User. But I also want to look at a couple settings. So I'm going to go to Billing, go to Team Budgets. I'm going to find my flight support team here. Notice they have a billing account. So if I have funds here, then they'll have funds to be able to use. They have their budget mode of per user, their budget duration, and the budget amount, just as I set them. And that is how you add teams in Postal. Happy sending.